Okay, so we can see in this example that M is the midpoint of the chord BCD, which means it is perpendicular to this diameter, giving us this radius. We know the chord CD is 64 centimeters long, so that means the length from C to M is 32 centimeters long. We're told in the question the length from O to M is 24 centimeters, and we're asked to find OC. We have here a right angle triangle. We have two sides of it. We want the third side, so we can use Pythagoras' theorem. And we can say that 32 squared plus 24 squared is equal to OC squared. And when you work that out, OC is 40. For the second part of the question, we're asked to find the length of BC. So this is another right angle triangle here. We have to find the length of the hypotenuse. We know this length here is 32. We know this length here is 24. So this length here is 24. Now, this length here, this is a radius. So is OC. OC is a radius, that's 40. OB is a radius, that's 40. So the length from M to B is 40 plus 24, which is 64. And we can then use Pythagoras' theorem, saying 32 squared plus 64 squared is equal to BC squared, and evaluate that.